So today we're going to be working on learning to crochet the linked double crochet stitch and also simultaneously creating a nice big soft washcloth to practice the stitch. So what I'm using today is Yarn Bee Smooth Move microfiber yarn. This is a size 3 yarn, but you could use size 4 just as easily. I am also using an eye crochet hook, some scissors, and a yarn needle. Now the fun thing about this stitch and the biggest benefit of it is that the stitches are, like the title says, linked. So it doesn't have as much holes or gaps as a regular double crochet. So it's good for something that you kind of want to feel a little more sturdy, a little more solid. It also has a really fun, kind of more raised rows. It creates a nice texture, which is great for washcloths. So let's get started. To start out, we're going to create a slip knot. Put our needle through there, our crochet hook through there, and get our yarn on our hook. Now, if you're following along in making a washcloth, I am going to chain 43 chains. If you're just practicing the stitch today, you can chain however many you like. All right, so once you have finished your chains, instead of yarning over, which you usually do at the beginning of the traditional double crochet hook, is you're just going to insert your hook in the third chain from the hook. So I have 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through 1. Now we're going to insert our hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. And then we're going to finish out like we normally would on the traditional double crochet. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that is how we will always start at the beginning of a row. And I'll show you again on the next row how you do it when you're not doing it into a chain. But for the rest of the row, now that we have one linked double crochet, again, instead of yarning over, we're going to insert our hook through this bar that goes across the front of our stitch. So we're going to insert through there, yarn over, and pull through. Now we're going to find our next chain, insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now we're going to finish off our double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 linked double crochets. We're going to find that bar that goes across, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, find your next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Let's do that again. Insert your hook through that bar, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in your next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're just going to continue this across if you're working on the washcloth with me today, and that should end up giving you 40 linked double crochets. So go ahead and keep working on that, and I will meet you back here at the end of the row. All right, so once you have crocheted 40 linked double crochet, or if you're not going along with the washcloth pattern, if you're just practicing whatever number of stitches you decided to use, we're going to turn and work our second row. Now, depending on what you prefer for double crochets, some people like to chain 2, some people like to chain 3. You can do whichever you like. Today I'm going to chain 3. It does make a little bit more of a scalloped edge, which I kind of like for this washcloth, so that's why I'm choosing to do 3 today. If you want a straighter edge, you can just chain 2. But today I'm going to do 3 and turn. And to start off your first stitch, you're gonna put your hook through one of those bottom loops of our chain. Yarn over and pull through. Then you will insert into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So now we have our first linked double crochet. You're gonna look for that bar that goes across, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 2 stitches. Insert your hook through that bar, yarn over and pull through, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Let's do that one more time. Insert your hook through the bar, yarn over and pull through, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And that is all there is to it. Now if you are creating a washcloth today with this stitch, you are going to want to continue this pattern of rows back and forth until you get your height of your washcloth to be the same as your width. Now this will depend a little bit on your tension. For me, that was 26 rows. So you can work your rows until you get to the correct height so that you have a nice even square on your washcloth, and then finish off and weave in your ends. Now before I sign off here, I'm also going to show you how you can join your linked double crochet if you would prefer to be working in the round instead of back and forth rows. All right, so now if you are wanting to work this stitch in the round, unfortunately there is not really a simple and easy way to join if you want to avoid that gap where you have a join. So there's a lot of creative ideas out there for how to best do this. I'll show you mine today, but if you don't like mine, you can quickly Google a few other creators' ideas for joining your linked double crochet in the round, and you'll get a few other ideas you can try. But here is what I find will best make things look straight and make those bars line up, but you have to get a little creative. So what I do is I actually lift up on this stitch, give a little extra leeway there, and actually take it off your hook. Now you're going to insert through that bar like you normally would, and then into the bar of the first linked double crochet. And without losing this loop here, you're going to pull through with your yarn, and then you're going to chain 1. So that's going to give you the connection you want. And now you're going to take your hook off of the yarn again. You're going to reinsert it into that first loop, through the new loop you added, and then you're going to join to the top of your double crochet, yarn over, and pull through everything. And that will give you a pretty smooth connection there without a lot of extra bulk. So I'm going to show you that one more time. So when you get to your last stitch, you're going to take your hook off, leave some extra here, make sure to keep it loose, insert through that bar and through the bar of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, chain 1, release your hook from the yarn, insert it through that first loop again, through the new loop you created, and then through the top of your stitch you're joining to. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and you're good to go. All right, I hope you enjoyed this stitch, and follow my channel for more crochet.